Well, you're looking at hooking like this, you get it behind square, but he picked that up. Whoa. Well, all of you watching this in India, I don't know what your hearts are doing, but mine's in overdrive, I can tell you that. This is, I don't care if it's one-day cricket, not test cricket, this is cricket of the very, very highest order. Then McGrath, Sachin Tendulkar. Hit it into the ground, not quite in the middle of the bat. Well, they should be looking for three here. Ganguly is sent back by Tendulkar now. Is that slightly average running, or is that a sign of confidence? I'll take McGrath. Test. Oh, he gave it. He telegraphed that, didn't he? He was coming down the wicket very early, and actually, he knew McGrath was going to give him a glare. He turned away from him. I like that. That's nice bit of cricket. He knows that he's bowled well as McGrath. And actually, if the two Indian